Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Kazım Moridi, and in this video we are going to start the Flutter development. One of the most key feature of Flutter is widgets. Almost all the UI elements on the screen you see during your coding is a widget in Flutter. As you can see, we have some widgets to display text in the in our app like text widget, rich text widgets, and many other widgets that are available for us to increase our productivity. And we do not need to um, create the widgets from scratch. All of them are created by the Google team, and we can use them to create amazing and uh, beautiful apps for our clients. Let's go ahead and take a look at the codes. So this is our code. Let's close this windows. If you want to go to the codings, you need to open the project, then lib folder and the main.dart file. If you take a look at these files, you can see that there is a green arrow play button next to the main functions, which shows that we can run this function if you want, and just by clicking this run button. But for now you need to have a virtual machine or even physical devices to run your app. Let me just run my physical devices. Let me run my app virtual machine. So this main functions is the starting point of our Flutter. It starts this function, which is run app, which run this function, which run this widget. As you can see, we call this a widget, a class named my app, which inherits or extends from a stateless widget. This is a widget. We call these classes that extends a stateless widget a widget, or even a stateful widgets. So classes that inherited from widgets are widgets for Flutter. Almost all UI elements we see in the Flutter are widgets. Most of the time, the starting point of our Flutter is material app, which is imported from the Flutter material.dart. This material app uh, has some configuration setting that provide some information to our app. Like title, it shows that the app title is going to be Flutter demo. Let me just run the app. Okay. Or even the theme data, which bring the information what kind of colors does the app going to show when it's going to enable, when the user enable dark mode or even the light mode. And some new features like use material tree, which is going to use the newest material component that is created by Google. And in the last line of this material app, as you can see, there is a home, which again, this is the page that we are going to show to the users. And this is the app that is we're going to talk about the stateless and stateful widget later, because it's an important part of the course, and we need to talk about some background information before that. But for now, you should understand this is going to be a part of a UI element that we are going to show to the users. As you can see, the emulator is on and app is pushed to the emulator by just pressing this button and selecting the emulator that we want to be shown on the screen. So after that, as you can see, this is the basic form of application that um, Flutter team developed to show how Flutter works. Let's clean up some of these classes that we do not need for now. I will remove them. Let me change some stuff. I want to create a widget myself. For, for now, just I will show you what is the stateless widget is. If you type stateless, it will be automatically generated the new stateless widget auto completion. For example, my home. Oh, okay. After that, we can just copy paste these pages over here and open to parentheses after that. That's it. And if you auto save it and run it again on the screen, it shows nothing because there is nothing to show. There is only placeholder. Unlike the past, we have a scaffold. In order to show a screen for ourselves, we need to create a scaffold. A scaffold is a simple widget that we can use to place some items on the screen. I will talk about the scaffold in detail later. For now, you just understand scaffold is a type of widget which we can use it to place some widget on it. Let me type a scaffold with uppercase S. After that, we have a class called body, which we're going to have an widget called center and a widget called child in it. After that, we're going to have a text widget again and hi. We are going to have a text in it. Oh, my name is Kazem, and that's it. If I press Control S, where it's going to be auto refresh to the emulator, and you can see we have a text over here, and it show us a simple and nice app. So this is good. This is our first application. In the next videos, we are going to deep dive in the widgets, especially a stateless widget and a stateful widget. For now, I think it's enough. If you like my YouTube videos, please consider leaving a like or a comments for me. Or if you want to have more videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Happy coding.